Good afternoon, dear students. I hope you all are good and utilizing your time. Dear students, today in this recording, we will understand how to find out distance on topo sheet. Okay, and before going there, let me tell you the unit of your topo sheet is 1 centimeter is equal to 500 meter. And let me also tell you that there are two types of distances in your topo sheet. First one is direct distance, okay, as I told you in my earlier video, and second one is indirect distance, है ना. So what is the basic difference between direct and indirect distance? Direct distance we measure using the scale or ruler or divider, okay, and in indirect distance we use strings, threads, okay. So now let me tell you the other basic difference between direct and indirect distance. We measure the direct distance between the two places that are in the straight to each other, okay, and we measure indirect distance places like rivers, roads, paths, okay, because they are not in the straight line, okay, they are like curved, okay. In other words, we can say for straight lines, okay, we use direct distance, and for curved ones we use indirect distance. So let's see how to find out direct distance. Okay, suppose that there are two places here, place A here and place B is here, okay. We have to find out the distance between these two places. So how we will find out distance? We will find out using our ruler, okay. We will put our ruler from A to B, okay. Suppose that we are getting 9 centimeter, okay, so 9 centimeter, so we will write here distance between A and B is equal to कितना है 9 centimeters, okay. Now we have to convert centimeters into kilometers and meters. As I know 1 centimeter is equal to 500 meters, then 9 centimeter is equal to 9 into 500 meters. Now if we convert this or multiply this, we will get this number, this 1 meters. Now we have to convert further into kilometers and meters. So we know already that the 1000 digit is kilometer here, है ना. So 4 kilometer and 500 meter is the distance between A and B. Oh na, got it. Now let's see another distance. Suppose that there is another place here C, है ना. So how we will find out this distance? Again we will put our scale or ruler here and find out the centimeters. So there are 6 centimeters there, है ना. So now finding out the distance between A and B, sorry, A and C. So there are 6 centimeters. Now we will convert 6 centimeter into kilometers and meters. So 6 centimeter multiplied by 500 meter, because we know 1 centimeter is equal to 500 meter. Then 6 5s are 30 and 2 0. That means the distance between A and C is 3 kilometers. Okay, got it. Now let's come to another type of distance, that is indirect or curved lines. Suppose that there is a river flowing from point A to B in this way, है ना, or there is a path between C and D, and the path is like this way, this one, this and this, ठीक है. So how we will find out this distance? We can find out this distance using thread, है ना. So for this purpose you will be given thread, okay, from in your exam, and I have a thread for myself here. So how we will find out distance? We will find out distance like this. We will put starting point from here, then like this, है ना, then again this, okay, this one. We have to put our thread on the path, then finally till here. Now this is our total distance from point C to D. Suppose that there is a path, so the total distance here between point C to D, this one. Now we will measure it putting on the scale. Now suppose that we got 13 centimeters, है ना. So we will write here we have to convert 13 centimeters into meter. So we know 1 centimeter is equal to 500 meters, then 13 centimeter is equal to 13 into 500. Okay, 2 0, 5 3 15, 5 1 5, 1 6. Okay, that means 6 kilometers and 500 meter is the distance between these 2 points, and it is indirect distance because it was not in a straight line, and we used string to find out the distance. Okay, now see another example here, distance between A and B. So we will put our starting point with this one. Okay, then we'll put like this, then this one, then like this. Okay, then wherever it ends we will go till here, है ना. Now suppose now we got this distance, है ना, we got this distance, and now we will put this distance on our scale starting from 0 till here. Now we are getting, suppose that we are getting 9 centimeters, है ना. So we will convert 9 centimeters into kilometers. So 9 centimeter is equal to 9 into 500, 9 into 500 meters. Okay, so 9 5s are 45, 20 meters, or we can say 4.5 kilometer, 4.5 kilometers, or 4 kilometer 500 meter. Okay, so in this way you can see how to find out distance between two places on topo sheet, and it is very easy, है ना. In direct distance we just put our scale or divider and find out the distance and then convert it into kilometers, है ना. And indirect distance what we use thread. Okay, we put the thread on the curved lines, then finishing till the finishing point. Okay, after measuring or after putting the thread on the path or the river, we measure the distance of thread. Okay, whatever distance it takes we will measure it, and after measuring the distance we will convert it into meter, kilometers. Okay, kilometer, meters. Hope you got it, and if you have any problem you can ask me directly. Thank you.